Hi everybody, Robert back here with more Revit training. Today we're going to look at our interior and our exterior rendering as we finish up on this project. I know we didn't do all of our drawings like our structural and our, let's see, we got our electrical. Okay, but so now let's just go look at the renderings here. Um, so I'm going to go in here and we're in a site plan drawing. So to do a rendering, you need to go up to your view tab and select 3D under here, and then you got to select the camera. So I'll take this camera and go into properties now. Okay, got my camera here. So this is the location where you're going to stand. I've done this before. So I'm going to go out here and I'm going to push this all the way out to, let's see if we can get as much as we can in this view. So I'm going to go all the way out to here. Okay, now there's our view. And as you can see, you can still see some framing elements in here. And then we can also, let's just go and move these view, elements here and put this on fine view, of course. And let's go with VV. Visibility graphics, and then we'll go down to our structural framing here. Let me shut this off. Right there. Apply. Okay. So there's our house now. And okay, now we got several features here we need to look at. So if you look in the properties dialog, you have the rendering settings here. This shows you what we're going to use and how much we're going to render this. We can go to the draft. We might want to go to best quality, and then we might want to go sun and artificial here, and then we got lighting sessions here. Okay, and this is basically you can set the time of day and what have you. But here I'm going to look at this right here where it says fire clip. Now this is the location where I pushed it back to, so I went back 200 feet in that site plan. So I went all the way back here. That's what happened there. So go back in our view here, and then right here, these are eye elevations. So this is the elevation of the eye low. So not 7'6". I might be, let's go with 6 foot here. And target, see it move just a bit. And go here with 6 as well. So that's more realistically where I'm going to be standing. And now we can also select this scope box here. And we can make adjustments. We can pull this out so we can see that electrical pole there. Get more of the sidewalk in here. And these elements over here. Okay. Now I might want to put this in realistic, just so we can see realistically without the rendering. Okay. So there's our house. Now if I select this, now we can select the scope box here. And up here we can crop the size here with this. And we can change the size of the image. So right now it's only 8 by 5. So we want to put this on a bigger sheet. We would say this is going to be, I think it's probably a 32 by, let's say 18 here. That gives you more quality, because if it's going to be printed on a bigger sheet, see, there you go. See, that's what's happening there. You get more quality for that side of the sheet. And then we can go here and we can scale it in proportion. So that's going to be for a bigger sheet size if you do that. I'm going to go back here if I can. I lost my crop, so I'm going to go back into my view. Okay, so there's our crop view. So I'm going to turn this off now. and we got the 244. So there's our view. And again, I want to select this now. We want to look at the scale here. So we're back to that size. We want to go back. We want to scale this now. And say we want to make this 24 by 12 this time. It's going to be 18, so it's going to be in proportion. So those are just some of the adjustments that you can work with. Now then, once we get that done, we go and render it. Now, you can do several renderings. You can go here and do your render settings. You can do high quality, customize it. You can get the sun, exterior only, and you get the artificial lights. We do have lights on this building. Put this back in realistic so we can see. So we do have lights on this building. So now this is the exterior, the amount of things you would go through the exterior. And then if you wanted to render this in the cloud, this is what the finished product looks like. It looks pretty good. And then this could be exported into to JPEGs. So that's our cloud rendering. That's probably the best rendering you're going to get from Autodesk. Now let's go and look at the interior here. So the interior works pretty much the same way. I'm going to shut this off now. And then we can export this view. We can save these views and whatever. So now I'm going to go down to my first floor here. And we're going to look at interior rendering. Well, interior rendering. So we got a little furniture going on here, and this is my living room. So first and foremost, I'm going to add another feature here. So I'm going to go into my roof, my ceiling rather. And here we got this high part. I want to do a cloud ceiling here. So to do a cloud ceiling, we just got a little feature right in here that we want to use. So I'm going to go architecture, and I want to go ceiling. And that ceiling is 8 feet. As you know, we got more than 8 feet here, and I want to sketch it. So I want to just do something, some kind of artistic shape right through here. Can't go in too far because we've got the go here, come to there, and I need a line from here to here because this is a spling. So now I'm going to just take a line from here to here. Then I want to move it a little bit if I can. You just move it back and give it a little shape here. This is just going to be a feature here right on this part of the ceiling. So then I'm going to finish that. Okay, now that's in the ceiling. Now let's go back to our floor plan here. And now I'm going to take the camera and I'm going to place the camera right as we enter this room here. Right about here. And I'm going to push this guy out to there. So there's our view, and we can adjust the scope here. Now you see the furniture's not showing up because we don't have it in fine view here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go and change this to fine view. Now you see our furniture, and then again on the interior we can make these adjustments here. We've got our cloud ceiling going there, and now here again we can select this and we can go our height, eye elevation. I'm going to go back down to 6 feet here. Okay, that's more realistic. And then we can go and make adjustments again, and we can use our wheel here. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to put my full navigation wheel, select it. Okay, so I'm going, oh, there it is. So I can take my full navigation when I can orbit around in here and see what we got going here. So I can pan in here. I can go walking here. So just walking here just a little bit here. Then I'll pan around, orbit, or I look around here. So I'm going to look. Look up and down here. So I'll go here. There's up. You can see our little feature there. And there's our rendering. Now we want to go out and spread this out a little bit. Move that. Okay. I'm going to step out of that. If I can get out of this. Now I'm going to make these adjustments. Got a cloud ceiling going there. I'm going to make this realistic view. So there we go. Not bad. Okay, so I'm not going to render this. Actually, I will render this right quick for you guys. I'm going to render this view. Render. I'm going to do medium here. It might take a while. And I'm going to run it. And maybe in the next video we'll show you what that looks like. But that's how you do interior and exterior rendering for this project. So guys, I hope you've been following along. See, I got sun only. I might want to turn on the artificial lights here as well. But for now, I'm going to leave it there. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Everybody be safe. And like I said, please subscribe. Helps me make these videos. There it goes. It's starting to take off, but I'm going to stop it there. Oh, I should have let it go. No, I want to go. Are you sure you want this? No. Let me keep it going here. So what you see is the light, and there's our internal light showing as well. So I'm going to leave it there and see you guys in the next video. Everybody be safe and bye. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.